Hello everyone, if you're following a vegetarian diet or you simply just avoid eggs, then I've got this eggless French toast recipe for you. To make this easy French toast, start with some warm milk. Then add custard powder. You can even use corn flour instead of using custard powder. The custard powder or the corn flour thickens the milk and helps the batter to hold on to the bread. Simply mix it together, then add sugar and vanilla essence. Mix everything thoroughly. Then dip bread in the mixture and coat both the sides evenly. On a medium heated and non-stick pan, melt some butter and gently place the dipped bread. Cook the bread slice for about 2 to 3 minutes until it turns golden brown. Then gently flip it over to cook the other side. Then add some more butter to get the perfect crispy edges and a pillowy soft center. After all, that's the golden brown glow we are looking for. Repeat the same procedure for more slices. Serve with your favorite toppings like jam, honey, whipped cream or fruits. Enjoy this lovely breakfast with your loved ones and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Lots of Cooking.